Hello guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted Facebook business page. So to do this is pretty simple. So as stated here in the Meta Help Center, to reactivate the page, you go to your main profile and click on your profile, settings and privacy, and then under information, there's gonna be a reactivate a page. So we're gonna go do that. So here, go to your account, settings and privacy, and then you want to go to settings. To redirect you to your settings again, and you will look for your information. So here, your information and permissions. So right here, you're gonna be access to this page right here. But if you get access to your meta page, it's not gonna show up, but this is how it will show up basically. So here, when you try to delete, there's gonna be a cancel deletion button. So this is how it would look like. So all you have to do is press this and cancel it, and you're good to go. So when you actually want to delete, it's gonna do like this and this. So press this button where it says cancel deletion, and then you'll be able to cancel the deletion. So this is only valid for 14 days, so it won't work anymore within the 14-day period. If it doesn't work, your page is gone forever. So if you have went over the 14-day period and you want to cancel the deletion, it's gone forever. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.